GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. Join free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Let's check out the brokers on the platform right here because I want you to sign up with these brokers to trade with my signals and with my signals only in that account. Maintains accuracy. So subscribe, like, join Telegram, check out all of that. And I have to repeat this in each video. It consumes so much energy. So let's preserve my energy and let's try to do this again. So coming back to the chart, starting with the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we are going down. Okay, so this blue candle was eaten by this huge red candle. So this week will be ending red. In Delhi, what do we have? In Delhi, we had massive, we had massive red candle, as you can see, eating all these previous blue candles. So this could be the start of a new downtrend officially for GBPUSD. We are taking a pullback now, pullback, then we'll go down again. So what should be our entry? Our entry, you should be precise like the snipers here. So, okay, that's your fib level. That's your downtrend. That's your entry. 60-50, I guess we will touch down 61%, maybe 50%, okay? So we will touch down maybe 61%. That will be a long wick and the rejection. So the candle will close below the EMI. So that's my prediction. We will touch down the EMI, then there will be a long wick, and then the candle will close just below the EMI, and then we'll have the red candle confirmation, and then you can enter short, okay? So I'm not entering long until this high is broken. Cool. If this high is broken, then I'll enter long after the pullback. Otherwise, if this high is not broken, rejection from the EMA, then red confirmation candle, and go for a short. That's what you have in GBPUSD. You can also check out my EURUSD because analysis, because GBPUSD, EURUSD works the same way. So just go and check out my last video, EURUSD. They both work the same way, okay? So your entry is rejection from the EMA, red candle, go down. And that's what I have for you. Subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, check out the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Totally take care.